On today's video, I am going to be teaching us on how to manifest prosperity, love, huge amount of money with just bay leaf and honey. Yes, if you are here and you want to manifest love, you want your partner to love you the more, you want your husband to love you the more, you want that your old love that have left you to come back to you, just relax. Yes, don't touch that die. Make sure you watch this video to the end. And if you are watching me here, you want to manifest huge amount of money, you want huge amount of money to come into your account, relax, watch this video to the end. And if you are here, you want to manifest prosperity, love, favor, you want favor all over around you, anything you do, you want the universe to favor you, just chill out. Yes, with bay leaf and honey, I am going to give you instruction on how you are going to do this in order to have a quick result, in order to have a testimony. Bay leaf has the ability to protect you against any evil harm. Yes, and also bay leaf is known to attract prosperity by burning it and sending it into the thin air. Bay leaf is also known to attract favor. Yes, so if you want to manifest, you want to learn how to manifest anything with bay leaf and honey, just make sure you watch the video to the end. And if you are just joining us for the very first time, you are highly welcome. I welcome you to my channel, Chima, Marta Spiritual TV. Thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Brother Chima, Prince Marta, and I am a spiritualist. And on this particular channel is all about spirituality. We teach spiritual tips, spiritual recipes, spiritual messages, messages that will draw you closer to God, messages that will help you to progress in life, messages that will help you to put an end to your suffering and struggling, to put an end of those your enemy who does not want you to progress. Yes, and on this channel we have done a lot of videos in the past that you can take a look at them. They might be of help to your problems. We use the power of God, the power of our ancestors, and the power of the universe in manifesting our spiritual tips on here. So if you are just coming in contact of this channel for the first time, you need to become a bona fide member by subscribing to the red button down below this video on your right hand side. Turn the notification bell to all so that whenever I post a video, you are going to be notified with instant notification. Like my videos, comment on the comment section. Feel free to ask me questions if there's anything you don't understand I say on here. And if you have any contribution that will make the channel to grow more, you can put it at the suggestion form on the comment section. And for you, my bona fide subscribers, my returning viewers, you know who you are. Those that are my backbone, those that has been supporting me, those that have been patronizing me, buying my spiritual materials, those that have been trusting me with their money, even without seeing me, for me to do spiritual work for them. I say, may God continue to bless you. For all I know is that what we do on here work perfectly. We are not exaggerating and we are not doing mumbo jumbo. We say it the way it is. And today we have come with another spiritual power part information on how to manifest prosperity, on how to manifest love, on how to manifest huge amount of money with just bay leaf. This is bay leaf here. This one I got it at Spa, not ShopRite. This is bay leaf. We are going to be manifesting bay leaf. If you are here and you want to manifest huge amount of money, hold on. Don't touch that die. I will tell you what to do and how to go about it. And here is my honey. Why you are going to use honey is for those of you who want to manifest love. You want a particular person, a particular man to favor you. Yes, you are going to use honey after making your intention known and writing it on a bay leaf. Then you will rub honey to it and keep it for the right time that is ready for you to burn it. Yes, we are going to be harnessing the spiritual energies, power, frequencies, vibration of bay leaf in order to manifest huge amount of money. Look how you are going to do this. This is your bay leaf. You bring it. You write, first and foremost, you have to write your account number. Your account number on top of it. After writing your account number, then you write the amount of money you need. If it is $1,000, you write it here. $1,000. Now you are manifesting huge amount of money. As you have written this, you are going to be calling on the universe, because burning a bay leaf will help you send your wishes out to the universe. Then you call the universe, you call your ancestors, you call the gods of the land, and call God in heaven that you are using bay leaf to manifest huge amount of money, $1,000. That in your business, in your account, let money flow into your account. Let heaven favor you. Let the universe favor you. After you have made your intention known, you have said what you want on how you want to manifest $1,000. You are going to keep this. When you are going to burn it is by 1 a.m. on the dot in the midnight. You bring it out again and you call the universe. You call the gods of the land. You call God in heaven that today you are manifesting $1,000 into your account, and you are taking authority from heaven and earth that from now till 7 days or till the end of this month, that $1,000 is going to hit your account. After that, you light it up and burn it to ashes. Send the ashes into the thin air. You have sent out the message to the universe and wait for your testimony. And if you want to use this to manifest love, you want to call back your loved ones. Yes, you want your man to be favoring you. You want peace and happiness to be in your marriage. If it is love you are manifesting it for, you will have to write love. Then you write the name of the person. If it is John, you write John. John. Full name, John Jack. Then you write your own name down. This way, the love will be up, your partner's name will follow, then your own name will be down. How to manifest love, favor with bay leaf. Then after you have written your love name and your own name at the time, you take your honey and rub on it. This one has to be rubbed with honey. As you are rubbing this honey, every evil spirit, every negative energy making my love to misbehave, making my marriage not to have happiness, today I come against you. And I call the universe that today I am manifesting love with this bay leaf. Let the universe, wherever John is, let him begin to love I, Priscilla. Let John come back to me. Whatsoever John is going to be thinking is whatsoever that pertaining me. He or she will never forget me in her life. She will keep remembering me. After making your intention known, as you have written the person's name and as you have rubbed the honey upon the bay leaf, then you have to keep this for the honey to enter inside of it, for it to melt the heart of that person that you have written the name on top of the bay leaf. That's your husband, that's your partner, that's your loved ones, those people you want them to favor you. Allow the honey to soak on it, to enter inside the bay leaf. You are also going to burn it as early as 6 a.m. in the morning. That is when you are going to send the message. The same way you send the message for huge amount of money, that is how you are going to send the message for love and for prosperity. Yes, you need to burn it. After you burn, you have to make sure you burn it this way. It has to be burning. As it's burning, you are praying. Anywhere Jack is, anywhere John is, let him remember I, Agnes. He will never have rest until he has come back to me. As I am speaking to the universe, as this thing is burning, as the bay leaf is burning, let the desire of I, Agnes, be burning in John's heart. Let it be burning in my husband's heart. Let it be burning in my partner's heart. After you made all your prayers, then you blow it to the thin air and allow the universe to settle the case. When you do this way, you are going to receive a huge amount of money in your account. People is going to love you. Your loved ones is going to come back. Yes, go and try this out. Manifesting with bay leaf and honey. Go and manifest love. Let your loved ones come back. Manifest prosperity. The same way you manifest love is the same way you are going to manifest prosperity. Is the same way you are going to manifest favor. At this junction, I have come to the end of this video, and I will see you in my next video. And if you have never subscribed to my channel yet, please do me a favor by subscribing to the red button down below this video. On your right hand side, turn the notification bell to all, so that as soon as I post a video like this, you will be notified. Thanks for watching me. God bless you.